Everything's organized. There's lines for all the specific fluids. Cleaning the bus to have all of that kind of renewal for it. It's all done here. And then we have on both sides these orange kind of units are where the fare box gets dumped into. So this bus wash is designed just for buses, not for cars. So these buses also get an underbody spray too. That's a big part of it. But as the bus goes through, because of the length, the rear always gets a lot more dirt on it. So the bus actually has to stop and wait for the sprayer to do its time, and then we proceed through. So we'll have a little bit of a pause. Like this one, it'll go park in another road, so that's organized for dispatching every day. So this is where the bus will be dropping us off.